warmouth. Welcome back, YouTube. I'm here trying to catch some today. The wind blowing one way and the tide going the other, just having a time. Oh yeah, got us old brim here. Having a time finding these fish today. It's been cold, wind blowing. Now maybe we starting to find a few. Yeah, got a little warmouth. Let him grow up some more. Oh yeah. Got us some warmouth here big enough to eat. Oh yeah. These fish ain't in but probably about 8 foot of water. I don't know why they up so shallow. I had been fishing like 12, 15 foot deep. But I found these here backed up in this corner. They ain't about 8 foot deep, but I just can't tell when they hit on it. They just is moving it sometime when they bite it. They sure ain't biting hard. Got a nut in here. We did catch another brim here. This wind, I'm telling you, it's cold too with that wind blowing, but we keep managing to catch a couple of brim and maul them out. Yeah, we made it back to the house. We didn't set no records or anything, but we did manage to catch a mess to cook for supper. Water's still high. When it's going out, it's running too hard. Can't hardly fish. Having to get behind the corner, but when it comes in, it's flooded out the woods, but the tide's trying to start working where the water dropped down there. But anyhow, we went and enjoyed the day and fished some, and it's been hard fishing with the wind blowing and everything. But anyhow, we went and tried to make a go of it. Hope you enjoyed.